take a moment to come to a comfortable seated position. Making sure your spine can be long, whether you're seated on the floor or maybe you're seated on a chair with your feet planted onto the floor. Really just taking the next few moments to settle and arrive. Taking a deep inhale through the nose and just releasing a long exhale out of the mouth. And then just start to close the eyes down. And then we're just going to start to bring our awareness to sound. Vipassana meditation can be challenging because thoughts come in and it's hard to keep our attention purely with the breath. So we're going to allow our awareness to find a few different things before we allow it to reside with the breath. And just begin to notice the sounds around you. Maybe the sounds from this video, the falling of the rain, the sound of the wind in the trees. There might be other sounds like road noise in the background. You might hear an aeroplane fly over. Just incorporate all of those sounds into your current soundscape. If you're not wearing headphones, you might also be hearing the sounds in your own environment, whether you're inside or outside. And just if you start to find yourself thinking, just acknowledge it. You might label it as thinking, and then just come back to that focus on the sounds. Noticing the sounds farthest away from you. And the sounds that are in closest proximity to you. Maybe even sounds that your own body is making. Just incorporating them into your soundscape. Keeping that attention, that focus. Noticing if any thoughts are coming in, avoiding frustration, just accepting them and allowing them to continue on their way, bringing your focus back to your soundscape. And then we're going to start to shift our focus, bringing our awareness to our breath. No need to change it. It's probably already doing enough for you as you are seated. Just observing it. Any thoughts coming in, just accept them and send them on their way. And then bring your awareness back to the breath. Avoiding frustration. Just accept the thoughts, send them on their way, coming back to the breath. And then we're going to see if we can incorporate our soundscape and our breath into the fold of our attention. All of the sounds, the soft ebb and flow of the breath. Just a few moments longer, sitting with this awareness. And then just release all concentration. And just let the mind be really free for a moment, let the thoughts flow, just let everything be natural, completely effortless. Just let it all in, let it be fluid. complete relaxation of the mind. And then just slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Maybe invite a little bit of movement back into the body. After this short period of stillness, you might feel a little stiff. Perhaps stretch out the legs, turn the wrists, maybe even finding a full body stretch. Know that there is no wrong or right way of meditation. It's just the same as any other aspect of the practice of yoga. The more we do it, the better we get. So if you're new to meditation and you find this difficult, that is completely normal. Just like improving our yoga asana, we just have to keep showing up. Thank you for sitting and practicing with me today. Namaste.